Hi, I'm Bruce, and almost a year ago we quit the rat race and began our homesteading journey. This week I finally make my huge barn doors for my workshop with a built-in access door. It's getting very exciting now as soon we can begin our yurt build. If you haven't already, it'd be pretty great if you could subscribe and become part of our ever-growing community. Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's vlog. It's kind of an exciting day today because I'm finally on to building my workshop doors. But just before I do that, I got some scrap bits of metal and I just want to quickly make a trolley to put my welder on so I'm not having to pick it all up and lug it around. So yeah, Betsy might even give me a bit of a hand. Okay, so that's the welding trolley done. It's getting a bit late and a bit dark now, so I'm going to try and grab an early night and then I can make a start on these workshop doors. It's pretty crude, but it'll definitely do the job. Maybe at some point it'll get a lick of paint. Okay, so I'll see you in the morning. Okay, so this is my design, but I think that possibly I might move the door over a bit depending on where my corrugated steel sits, just so it's a nicer fit. And disclaimer, I'm not a welder, so constructive criticism welcome. Let's go. So I didn't film it, but I've just offered the first door up and I don't know, I must have a measurement off, just a little bit on the big side, doesn't leave me any kind of wiggle room, so I'm going to have to cut the bottom off, redress it and weld it back together. But it looks kind of cool, you can see it behind me. There it is. Anyway, get cutting again. Okay, so I've got as far as I'm probably going to get today. Make a start on it in the morning, going to get some dinner now. But I'm pretty chuffed with how that's gone so far. So tomorrow I'll make the entry door on the other side and then weld on the hinges, and hopefully tomorrow I'll have 2 doors fitted to my shed. Good morning everybody. A little bit tired this morning. Betsy's cat for some reason has decided that as the sun is getting up earlier and earlier that we need to know about it. So on the plus side, it got me out of bed a bit earlier this morning. Anyway, back on with building these doors. Anne? Annie? Anne? Hey, Badge. Again. I need some help.
Okay, I can help you.
Thanks.
I can be that guy.
You can. Yeah. Don't tell the kids because I want to do it. Right, this door's done. Time for me to make the other one. That is working absolutely brilliantly, so I'm over the moon with that. Now for the boring job of painting the whole thing. And then I can put the sheeting on, then it's done. I'm going to leave those doors open to dry and then get up in the morning, throw the sheeting on, and we're finished. Happy days. My workshop doors are finished. Well, kind of. I need to make a header for the access door, and I've got some brushes that are going to be fitted across the door top and the door frame top and the bottom of the door, and that's just to stop the wind blowing in and maybe driving rain. But I'm pretty happy with those, and it's quite exciting because now this week I've got to sort a few odds and ends out, and then it's going to be looking at building a deck for the yurt and moving out of the house and into a yurt. How exciting! Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already it would be amazing if you could subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Massive thanks to my patrons. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you, I really am.